Hello everyone, I'm Mara Benitez, Library Assistant at the Seguin Public Library, and today I'll be teaching you how to make 3 different origami autumn leaves. For the first and simplest leaf, you'll need a 7-inch square of paper. To learn how to make your own origami squares, check out some of our other videos in our origami series. Take your 7-inch square of paper and fold it in half from corner to corner. Cut along this line to make a triangle. Now take this triangle and fold it in half, corner to corner, crease it well, and open it back up. This will be our guideline for folding. Fold the triangle accordion style, starting from the long edge and working your way up. The thinner your folds, the more intricate your leaf will look. Use the line down the middle to keep your fold centered. When you reach the tip, fold the long edge in half and glue those edges together carefully. You can trim the point to make your leaf look tidier. Once it's dry, untuck the tip and gently pull on the edges to open up your leaf. For our next leaf, we'll need a 4-inch square of paper. Fold your square from corner to corner to make a triangle and crease it well. Now fold the folded edge over a bit to create your stem. It should peak at one corner of the triangle and angle out slightly past the other corner. The thinner the fold, the thinner the stem. Crease it well. Next, take the corner with the peaked end of your stem and fold it down to meet the bottom corner, lining up the open edges and crease it well. Open it up and this will give us our halfway mark for our leaf folds. Take the bottom and fold it up to meet that line, crease it well and open it up again. Do the same with the top, meeting in the middle, creasing and opening. These will be your guidelines for our next folds. Flip your triangle over. We are now going to use these guidelines to accordion fold our leaf all the way up. Start with the first section, folding the bottom up to the first line. Fold your guideline back. Then fold halfway to the next line, and so on until your paper is pleated all the way up. Make sure to go back and crease each of these lines well. Next, take one of the open corners and fold it so that the edge meets the third line from the bottom. Flip it over and do the same with the other side. Take each side of the triangle you just made and fold the edges in a little to make the leaf edges round. Do the same on the other side. When you open it up, you have a leaf. Our third leaf will require a square made from a full sheet of copy paper or 8.5 inches wide. Fold the corner down, cut off the excess, and open it up. Fold the opposite corners together, forming an X. Flip it over so that the creases make it sit up like a pyramid. Fold it in half edge to edge, then open it up and fold the other edges together and open it up. Now flip it over and set it square in front of you like a tent. Take the 2 side creases and gently pinch them closed, then together. Where they meet in the middle, you can lay it flat like a diamond. Turn it so the open ends of the diamond face you. Fold the 2 topmost wings of the diamond to the center, carefully aligning the edge with the center crease. The more precise you are with your folding, the easier the next few steps will be. Fold the diamond tip down over where those flaps meet, creasing well. Open your last few folds back up, then lift the top layer of your folded diamond, gently opening it up to the crease made by the tip of your diamond. As you lift, the edges should start to fold in on their own. You can help guide them up carefully, aligning them to the middle and folding them flat to make a long diamond. Flip it over and do the same, folding the wings of the diamond into the middle, folding the point down and opening it. Lift the top layer up to the crease and fold the edges in, then press it flat. Your diamond should line up. Fold the point down, then flip it over and fold the other point down. You should now have 3 points in the middle of your diamond. The middle layer should have 2 halves. Open the side of one like a pocket with your finger and start to lay it flat. Angle it upward a little. This will be the base of one of your leaf points. Then do the same with the other side. Next, make sure that the point on the back is folded up so that it doesn't get in the way, and take some scissors and cut up the middle of the bottom point. Fold each cut point upward, slightly at an angle. These will be the lower points of your leaf. Flip your leaf over and turn the point back down. This will be the base of your stem. Take the sides of your center diamond and fold them into the middle. On either side of your diamond, you should have 2 small peaks. Open each one like a pocket and lift it up, aligning it to the center of your diamond you just made and laying the top flat. This will keep all of your folds in place and give you the last set of peaks. To finish your leaf, fold in the long, thin peaks halfway and turn the corners down to make them smaller. And your leaf is all done. Thanks for watching. Check out our library's collection of origami books for more paper folding inspiration. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye out on our social media for more activities and crafting tips, tricks, and ideas.